The multiplication of the matrices. How to multiply the matrices? Last time we did addition and subtraction of the matrices. The multiplication of the matrices. Two matrices can be multiplied. Two matrices can be multiplied if the number of columns of the first matrix equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Abdullah Kazim. Hatija Naif. Okay. Two matrices can be multiplied if the number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Two matrices can be multiplied if the number of rows, number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So this is the conformability of the two matrices. They are called conformable for the multiplication. Muhammad Huzaifar. Sam Wakil. Aisha Ahmad. So two matrices are said to be conformable for multiplication if the number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So those two matrices are conformable for the multiplication. Wajiha. Abdul Rahman. Yes, Zen Big. He must write the ID. Okay. So this is how we'll check. Last time we have done the addition, subtraction in those matrices. If the size of the two matrices are equal, that means the number of rows of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of columns of the second matrix. Then the two matrices are conformable for multiplication and addition. And in multiplication, we have to check the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix. If both are equal, we can multiply, otherwise we can't multiply them. We'll do the question. First, we will do the E part of the same question. First question. First question. A, B, C. I'm writing over there. First question of the same exercise. Exercise 9.2. First question. Matrix A is equal to 1 minus 4, 0 minus 9. Matrix B, 4, 3 minus 7, 0. Matrix C, 5 minus 1 minus 1. Twelve, 0, 2. Aisha Ahmad Khan. Sayyid Hamza. Sayyid Hamza. Zan Beg. Okay. These are the three matrices. E part, A into I. I told you this is the identity matrix. If A is 2 by 2, the identity matrix will also be 2 by 2. So identity matrix are always be the square matrix. Identity matrix always be the square matrix. They may be 1 by 1, they may be 2 by 2, they may be 3 by 3, they may be 4 by 4, etc. So they must be the square matrix. If A is 2 by 2, so I should be also 2 by 2. Lie by in I. Push button sir. So A, when A is 2 by 2, so I should also be 2 by 2. So this is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. We will write under the size. Under the matrix, we will write the size or the order of the matrix. This is 2 by 2. Two rows. First number is showing the number of rows. Second number is showing number of columns. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. The size of A is 2 by 2. So if it is 2 by 2, I should also be 2 by 2. I should also be 2 by 2. So this is also 2 by 2. This is the number of columns and this is the number of rows. The first is showing the number of rows. The second number is showing number of columns. Here also the first number is showing number of rows. This is rows and this is columns. The number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. These two numbers must be equal. These two numbers must be equal, then we can multiply them. Otherwise, they cannot be multiplied. We multiply these two numbers. We multiply these two numbers. If they are same, we can multiply. If they are not same, we can't multiply. We do not check this one and this one. The end numbers we do not check. We only check the middle number. They must be equal. Then we can multiply them. So we write the size of the first matrix, number of columns by number of rows by number of columns. Here also we write the size, number of rows and the number of columns. So then we check the middle number, the number of columns of the first matrix, number of columns of the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. If they are equal, we can multiply. If they are not equal, we cannot multiply. So now you can see these are number of columns of the first matrix equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Both are equal, therefore we can multiply. This number may be different. This may be 3 by 2, this may be 2 by 4. So there may be 3, there may be 4. No problem, we have to check these two numbers, the middle two numbers. The number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix. If they are equal, we can multiply. Now, how to multiply? If they can be multiplied. If they are confirmable for multiplication, so now we proceed further. If they are not equal, we will write impossible. Our answer will be impossible. But if they are equal, we can multiply. So they are equal, therefore we multiply. Now how to multiply? We will write the number of matrix A equal to the matrix A. 1 minus 4, 0 minus 9 into I2. This is also 2. If it is 2 by 2, I should also be 2 by 2. This is 1, 0, 0, 1, the identity matrix. Only in the primary diagonal, we will find 1, 1. all the other elements are zeros. The number in the primary diagonal must be 1, 1, 1. All the numbers in the primary diagonal, and the other numbers are 0. This is the primary diagonal. So all numbers are 1, 1. The other are all 0. Now how to multiply? This first row is multiplied with the first column. This first row is multiplied with the first column. Rubab. First row is being multiplied with the first column, therefore the answer will be in the first row, first column. When first row is being multiplied with the first column, the answer will be in the first row and first column. First row and first column. How to multiply? The first number is multiplied with the first number. 1 into 1 plus second number is multiplied with the second number. Minus 4 into 0. So the first row and first column is over. Now the first row is multiplied with the second column as well. First row is multiplied with the second column. So we will write the answer in the first row, second column. This was the first column. This will be the second column of the first row. Ayan Sherwan. Okay. The first row is multiplied with the first column. The answer will be written in the first row, first column. Then the first row is multiplied with the second column. The answer will be written in the first row, second column here. Again, the same way, 1 into 0 plus minus 4 into 1. And this product and this product will be added together. In the same way, this product and this product will be added together. There must be one answer. So first row, second column. Is there third column? So we'll multiply the first row with the third column. We'll write the answer over there. But there is no third column. Okay, so this is over. The first row is over. Now we start the second row. Second row again multiplied with the second column. The answer will be written in the second row and the first column. Second row is multiplied with the first column. The answer will be written in the second row, first column. 0 into 1 plus minus 9 into 0. So first row, first column is over. Now we'll start the first row, second column. 0 is multiplied with 0. So second row, first, second column. Minus 9 into 1 plus over. So first of all, the first row is multiplied with the first column. One element is multiplied with the one element, the second element with the second element, third element with the third element, etc. And they all will be added. All products will be added together. So answer will be written in the first row, first column. In the same way, the first row is multiplied with the second column. The answer will be written in the first row, second column. So first number with the first number, second number with the first second number, and then both are added. Then when all the columns are over of the second matrix, then we start the second row. Here also we start the second row. Second row is multiplied with the first column. The answer will be written in the second row, first column. First number with the first number, 0 into 1 plus minus 9 into 0. Then the second row is multiplied with the second column. 0 into 0 plus minus 9 into 1. Yes. So now we'll simplify this one. Equal to 1 into 1 will be 1 plus minus 4 into 0 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0. Minus 4 into 1 will be minus 4. 0 into 1 will be 0. Minus 9 into 0 will be 0. Plus 0. 0 into 0 will be 0. Minus 9 into 1 will be minus 9. Now further simplify. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 9 will be minus 9. This is the final answer. 1 minus 4, 0 minus 9. 1 minus 4, 0 minus 9. This is the final answer. Okay. Sayyid Abdul Wahid. Anyone may convey the message to Saqib. He must write his ID. Muhammad Saqib. Muhammad Saqib, he must write his ID. Okay. Again, I am telling you how to do the multiplication. First of all, we have to check whether they can be multiplied or not. The two matrices. So this is A into I. So first we write the size of A. A is 2 by 2. So I should also be 2 by 2. I should be the square. It may be the square or not. A may be the square of not. But I should be the square matrix. So we write the size of this one. We write the size of this one. Now we'll check the middle number. The number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. They are equal, therefore they can be multiplied. And our answer will be this by this, 2 by 2. The answer of the product should be 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. This should be 2 and these two numbers. This should be the size of the product, size of the answer. This should be the size of the answer, size of the product. First we write their size of A, size of B, then we check the middle number. If they are equal, they can be multiplied. Okay, they are equal, we multiply them. If they are, they can be multiplied, we write the matrix A, then we matrix B. This is the first, this is the second. Remember that the matrix multiplication, this is called the matrix multiplication. In matrix multiplication, they are not commutative. They are not commutative. For example, if there are two matrices A and B, sometimes A and B, the A into B is possible and B into A is not possible. Sometimes A into B is possible and B into A is not possible. For example, A is 2 by 2 and B is 2 by 3. A is 2 by 2, B is 2 by 3. So the middle number are equal. Therefore, A into B is possible. A into B is possible. But B into A, the size of B is 2 by 3 and the size of A is 2 by 2. So the middle numbers are not equal. So B into A is not possible. B into A is not possible. B into A is not possible. Anyone may convey the message, he must write the ID. Mohammed Saqib. So A into B is possible, but B into A is not possible. The size of B is 2 by 3, the size of A is 2 by 2. So B into A is not possible. The number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. If they are not equal, we cannot multiply them. We cannot multiply them. So this is the way how to multiply. Okay, first of all, we will check whether they are conformable for multiplication or not. So they are conformable. The size of this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2, the middle numbers are equal, the number of columns of the first equal to the number of rows of the second. Therefore, they are conformable. If they are conformable, conformable means they can be multiplied. If they can be multiplied, we will write matrix A, then we will write matrix I. Now the first row is multiplied with the first column and the answer will be written in the first row, first column only. First row, first column. So how to multiply? The first number is multiplied with the first number, 1 into 1, then plus sign, minus 4 into 0. This is the first row, first column are over. Now first row, second column. So we will write the answer in the first row, second column. 1 into 0 plus minus 4 into 1. 1 into 0 and minus 4 into 1. Shahzeb Neyman. 11649. Okay, students, today or tomorrow I will upload the assignment. Today or tomorrow I will upload the assignment which has to be submitted within 2-3 days. Within 2-3 days. Understood? This will be the second assignment. Tomorrow or today I will upload the assignment 2, and you have to solve it and submit it within 2-3 days. The date and the time will be given on the LMS when I will upload it. When it will be uploaded, I will message in the group. When it will be uploaded, I will message in the group. Muhammad Saab. Okay. So the first row is multiplied with the first column, 1 into 1 plus minus 4 into 0. This over. Now the first row is multiplied with the second column. Answer will be written in the first row, second column. It will be only one element. 1 into 0 plus minus 4 into 1. Now the second column over. There is no other column. So we'll start the second row. 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0. So answer will be written, this is multiplied. Second row is multiplied with the first column. So the answer will be written in the second row, first column. Second row, first column. 0 into 1 plus minus 9 into 0. Then we start the second row, second column. Second row, second column. Second row is multiplied with the second column. 0 into 0 plus minus 9 into 1. So it will become 1 into 1 will be 1 plus minus 4 into 0 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0 plus minus 4 into 1 will be minus 4 plus minus minus 4. So next row, 0 into 1 will be 0 plus minus 9 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 0 will be 0 plus minus 9 into 1 minus 9. Minus 9 into plus minus 9. Further simplify, 1 plus 0 will be 1. 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 9 will be minus 9. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. So multiplication a bit complicated. Multiplication of the matrix is a bit complicated. Now B into C, the H part, B into C. First we write their size B, 2 by 2. C, 2 by 3. The middle number, the number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. They are equal. Therefore, we can multiply. We can multiply. And the size of the product will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. This will be the size of the product. The size of the answer will be 2 by 3. Okay. Now, how to multiply? We will write the matrix P 4, 3 minus 7, 0 into C 5 minus 1 minus 1 12, 0, 2. The first row is multiplied with the first column, and the answer will be written in the first row and the first column. 4 into 5 plus 3 into 12. First row, first column. Now first row is multiplied with the second column. The answer will be written first row and the second column. 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0. Second column is over. There is third column also. First row is multiplied with the third column. The answer will be written in the first row, third column. 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Third column is also over. Finished. There is no other column. There is no other column. There is no other column. Four into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. This row is multiplied with the third column. 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. The answer will be written first row, third column. Now we start the second column, the second row. Minus 7 into 5 plus 0 into 12. Second row is multiplied with the first column. The answer is written in the second row, first column. Now second row with the second column. The answer will be written in the second row, second column. Minus 7 into 1, minus 1. Minus 7 into minus 1 plus